Ever felt like you're in a gladiator arena, but instead of battling for Caesar's amusement, you're fighting for the best crypto exchange? Welcome to the Crypto Coliseum, where today's contenders are Binance and Kraken, two titans of the digital currency market. Both Binance and Kraken boast millions of users, a vast array of cryptocurrencies, and robust trading features. But which one reigns supreme? Deciding can be a nail-biter, especially for beginners. Fear not, crypto warriors. This video will dissect these exchanges, analyzing their strengths, weaknesses, and the ultimate knockout blow. Who should you choose? Round 1, Features, a feast for crypto fanatics. First up, features. Binance throws a lavish crypto buffet at you. From spot trading and margin trading to staking, lending, and even its own NFT marketplace, Binance is like a one-stop crypto shop. Kraken, on the other hand, adopts a more a la carte approach. It focuses on core functionalities, spot and margin trading, staking, and futures contracts. While it might seem less flashy, Kraken prioritizes a user-friendly experience for these core features. Round 2, Fees, the crypto tax man cometh. Crypto may be the future, but taxes are a harsh reality. Fees can eat significantly into your profits, so it's crucial to compare. Binance generally boasts lower trading fees, especially for high-volume traders who can leverage their tiered fee structure. However, their withdrawal fees can vary depending on the chosen cryptocurrency and network. Kraken has a more straightforward fee structure, with maker-taker fees that depend on your monthly trading volume. While their overall fees might be slightly higher than Binance for high-volume traders, withdrawal fees are typically lower and more transparent. Round 3, Security, Fort Knox or Open Gates. Let's face it, security is paramount when dealing with your hard-earned crypto. Binance has faced some security concerns in the past, with a major hack in 2019. However, they've since implemented stricter security measures, including two-factor authentication and multi-signature wallets. Kraken, on the other hand, boasts a spotless security record. They prioritize cold storage for a vast majority of user funds, rigorous account verification processes, and a focus on regulatory compliance. Round 4, Fiat on-ramp. How easy is it to get in? So, you're pumped about crypto, but how do you get your money in? Binance offers a wider variety of fiat deposit methods, including debit/credit cards, bank transfers, and peer-to-peer, P2P, trading. However, keep in mind that fiat deposit options and regulations can vary depending on your location. Kraken has a more limited selection of fiat deposit methods, primarily relying on bank transfers and ACH transfers. While it might be less convenient for some, their focus on traditional banking integrations can be appealing for those seeking a more established feel. The final verdict, ringing the crypto bell. So, who wins the Crypto Coliseum battle? There's no single answer. Both Binance and Kraken offer distinct advantages. Choose Binance if you're a high-volume trader seeking the lowest fees. You crave a wide variety of features and investment options. You have easy access to alternative fiat deposit methods. Choose Kraken if security is your absolute top priority. You prefer a user-friendly interface for core trading functionalities. You value regulatory compliance and established banking integrations. Ultimately, the best exchange depends on your individual needs and priorities. Do your research, understand the risks involved, and remember, crypto investments are inherently volatile. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto trading.